How to create a real Metatrader 4 account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be showing you how to create a real Metatrader 4 account directly. So let's just get started with the process, which is super easy. So let's just get started. So first thing, if you don't have the Metatrader 4 app yet, head over to the App Store or the Google Play Store and search for the Metatrader 4 app and download the application onto your device. Once it's installed, go ahead and open up the app and you will be seeing the homepage of the Metatrader 4. So here, in order to create your real trading account, you can find this messages tab at the bottom right corner. Just go ahead and click on it and you can find register and sign in option. So you can just go ahead and tap on register option, where you will be prompted to fill in some personal information like your email and your name. So just go ahead and type in that and tap on get an account. And then you can use any of the method, either your Google account as well, and you will be directly logged in into your MetaTrading account. So just go ahead and do it, and you can log in into a real account using a username and password, and that is it. Now you have successfully created a real Metatrader 4 account very easily inside the app. From here, you can start trading, managing your trades, and using all the powerful tools Metatrader 4 has to offer. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more trading tips and platform tutorials. And drop your questions below, and I will be more than happy to help.